my iPad told me again my storage is full, and I realized it was because I forgot to delete the other 3 videos off of my camera roll. Let's fight this Boom Boom guy. But oh wait, why doesn't Baby Yoshi get in? Freezing rain tower. Whoa, the temperature. Imagine the temperature in here, you guys. Jeez, right now it is, like, right now, where I'm playing this game, it is hot, damn humid. But, like, you check the weather forecast in this tower, it would probably give very cold temperature with an 80% chance of freeze for the day. Jeez. Why do I say jeez a lot? Just because I get surprised about that if you're in the tower and if you're like on the weather channel and you find out that there's an 80% chance of rain, it actually turns into frost rain. Okay, we got another life. We should be lucky. But we still can't take Blue Yoshi in. That's sad, but at least I am doing around my target. And okay, I'm lucky that it's my first coin as well, so I shouldn't be too much like in a situation of having to give up, but okay, well, in Super Mario Bros. Wii, there was also a level like this, so not you, I might kind of like remember. And you might also kind of an understanding if you play this game in 2012 on the Wii U, or earlier this year on the Nintendo Switch. But they're exactly the same thing. So, whatever it is. But yeah, there was a level like that in Super Mario Bros. Wii, the 2009 game, where like there's something secret. Go, 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 go. I thought there was a secret there, but at least, hey, we're lucky we have a checkpoint. Except in the 2009 video game Super Mario Bros. Wii, there were some like moving platforms. Like some purple and blue twisting platforms at the very top of the fortress. And I do remember that as the World 3 fortress. The World 3 in the Super Mario Bros. Wii is the snow and the frost world, the winter. World 4 is the waters, like the seas. And World 5 is the forest. Exactly the same in Mario Bros. U. And Worlds 1, 2, 6, 7, and 8 are just exactly the same. The fire for World 8, I mean, not exactly the same, like, yeah, it is still fire in World 8. In World 7, it's the clouds. World 6 is the mountains. In Mario U Deluxe, it starts with Acorn Plains. Oh! I kind of got it, actually. Yeah, it was right there, yeah. And in Mario U Deluxe, it starts with the Acorn Plains, as y'all saw when I was playing the first part. And Mario Wii, just like 95% of other Mario games, it does start with Peach's Castle, which is actually the ending point in Mario U or Deluxe, the special version. And there's no power in here either, so we'll have to fight Boom Boom powerless. Yep, poor guy without any power. And I'm about to prepare to fight this evil, strange, strong turtle called Boom Boom. Wow. Wow, is he like... Wow, is he trying to do like quarterback? I mean, it actually makes me laugh. Like, the only time I get stressed out is when I kill myself. But when it comes to just seeing him do a quarterback move, that's when it makes me laugh so bad. Saved. Prickly Goombas. Frosted Glacier level 3. There we go. Ooh. I'm actually glad I'm able to use the blue Yoshi in this level because... Okay, there's a chance I might get the life. Wait, what? I can't kill it. I mean, I can only let the fire piranha plant kill it. Funny, but... Uh-oh. I don't want to lose him. I would want to lose the Prickly Goomba. I would want to lose him if that was the patient in intensive care unit. Because they're just meanies. Ah, that's not fair. I can't kill it. But hey, I made it on my way. Oh, you can't jump on the bubble. Look. Ah, okay, that was not high enough. Oh! Yeah, that was just one tiny little room. With nothing except a star coin. Like absolutely zilch. Other than a star coin, zilch. You know what I mean by that. What? You have to be joking. There's a classic Yoshi too. Okay, we're lucky that I killed the fire bros, but wait. Oh wait, what happened to the blue Yoshi that I was intending to have? Is he gonna? Oh, maybe he is. Maybe it's already too late. I can't get him back. But maybe we can try this. Nope. Whoa! I'm gonna kill you, fire bro. Haha. Oh no. Ah. Oh, you just get 200 points for every Goomba you kill with Yoshi. There. Oh, come on. Come back, mate. You're not going anywhere. You need to be supervised. Okay, well. Yeah, that jingle again. I love it. Yep, $1 million for my help. A nice flower. Seems cool. I'm gonna grab that acorn before that nasty little penguin comes up on me. Uh-oh. That was way too soon. But now I'll just have to fight the penguins without a power. Ah, there's one more. Now there's the treasure. Oh, man. Well, when we come to the next world, I'm going to be playing Toadette anyway, so there shouldn't be a big deal with it. And I'm going to get an acorn, so why am I stressed? Because there's an acorn coming.